Hello, dear friends. Get ready to check out an amazing selection of the coolest and latest remote control toys under $50 from Amazon. In this video, you will find the best toys for earth, water, and air under $50. All these are best sellers on Amazon you can buy now at the best price. We always searching for hot deals and discounts you can't miss and for products that anyone can buy. You'll find all the links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for updates. Let's go! Ever wanted to capture stunning aerial views easily? The Techie NH525 drone is perfect for beginners and kids, making it a must-have gadget. Equipped with an adjustable 1080p HD camera, it lets you record unforgettable moments from the sky. With advanced FPV real-time transmission, you can enjoy live images through the app. Safety is a priority with 4 propeller guards and 2 batteries providing up to 26 minutes of flight time. It also features 1 key takeoff and landing, making it user-friendly. Enjoy fun flight modes like 360-degree flips, high-speed rotation, and path drawing. Foldable and portable, the Techie NH525 drone is an ideal gift for kids and adults alike. All this for just $24.99, down from the typical price of $59.99. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer brought to you by Gadgets Tech Trends. Ever wanted to own a lifelike shark toy that swims just like the real thing? Meet the remote control shark toy, the perfect gift for kids and adults alike. This high simulation shark measures 13.5 by 5.25 inches and offers crazy fun in the pool, bathtub, or water tank. With 2.4 gigahertz remote control and 4-channel capability, you can easily maneuver the shark forward, backward, left, and right up to 40 meters away. The dual motors and flexible mechanical tail joints ensure realistic movement, making it a big hit for the whole family. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this shark toy provides up to 35 minutes of swim time on a 30-minute charge. Get all this for just $32.99, down from the list price of $45.99. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Looking for a high-speed thrill on wheels? Check out the remote control car that zooms up to 20 kilometers per hour. This RC car, powered by a strong motor, delivers an exhilarating driving experience. With 2 rechargeable batteries, enjoy up to 120 minutes of playtime. No interference means you can race with friends without signal issues. It performs brilliantly on all terrains, from indoor carpets to outdoor cement roads. Originally priced at $32.99, it's now available for just $24.99 with a 24% discount. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Brought to you by Gadgets Tech Trends. The RC boat with underwater camera is a must-have for kids and adults alike. This amazing gadget features a 480p HD waterproof camera, perfect for capturing video and photos beneath the surface. With FPV transmission, you can see real-time footage on your mobile app, making it an interactive experience. Powered by dual high-efficiency motors, this boat glides effortlessly through water. It's durable and designed with a removable mechanical tail to ensure long-lasting fun. The 2.4 gigahertz remote control provides easy handling within a 100 feet range, allowing you to maneuver forward, backward, left, or right with ease. The updated design ensures no water leaks into the interior, enhancing efficiency and enjoyment. All this for just $35.99. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer, brought to you by Gadgets Tech Trends. Ever wanted a toy that responds to your every move? Meet the gesture-sensing RC Stunt car. This high-tech 4WD car drifts in all directions and performs 360-degree rotations for thrilling adventures. It even responds to your gestures with the sensing watch. Just move your fingers and the car follows. With 2 rechargeable batteries, enjoy hours of fun away from screens. Designed to conquer all terrains, this durable car switches from on-road to off-road in seconds. Perfect for kids aged 6 to 12, it makes a great birthday or holiday gift. Now get it for just $42.27, down from the typical $49.73 with a 15% discount. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer, brought to you by Gadgets Tech Trends. Ever wished for a toy that can race on land and surf on water? Meet the amphibious RC car. This remote control car performs amazing front and back flips and 360-degree spins on both water and ground. Its waterproof and weatherproof design ensures it can conquer any terrain, from beaches to snow. With a 200-foot control range, it breaks through mud, grass, and even sea. Equipped with a powerful engine, it reaches speeds up to 12 km/h and comes with 2 rechargeable batteries for non-stop fun. Priced at just $23.99, it's an unbeatable gift for kids of all ages. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer brought to you by Gadgets Tech Trends. Ever dreamed of piloting your own plane? The Hawkswork 2CHRC airplane makes it easy. With a built-in self-stabilization system, beginners can master flying in just hours. Its lightweight, durable foam structure withstands slight crashes, perfect for new pilots. This 2.4 GHz remote control plane flies in 4 directions, and multiple planes can soar together without interference. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year aircraft warranty and a 3-month battery warranty. Normally $58.99, it's now only $46.99 with a 20% discount. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer, brought to you by Gadgets Tech Trends. Looking for the ultimate toy for your kids? Check out the FDJ remote control car that transforms into a robot with just one button. This 2-in-1 toy switches smoothly between a drifting sports car and an intergalactic robot, keeping your child entertained for hours. With 360-degree rotation, LED police lights, and easy-to-use controls, it's perfect for thrilling multiplayer battles. Made from durable, non-toxic ABS plastic, it's built to withstand even the roughest play. Ideal for birthdays and holidays, this cool transforming RC car is now just $17.99, down from the typical $20.99 with a 14% discount. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer brought to you by Gadgets Tech Trends. The Dirk RC plane, designed to mimic a real eagle, is your ticket to soaring fun. Equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope stabilization system, this remote control plane is easy to fly, even for beginners. Made from durable EPP material, it can withstand impacts and delivers an excellent flight experience. The radio control system allows precise control up to 500 feet with no channel interference. With 2 powerful motors and batteries, enjoy up to 22 minutes of flight time. Watch it take off with a gentle throw, gliding through the air just like a real eagle. Perfect for kids and adults alike, this RC plane is a must-have for any aviation enthusiast. Available now for just $32.99, down from the typical price of $35.99. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer, brought to you by Gadgets Tech Trends. Looking for an exciting toy that will keep your kids entertained for hours? Check out the Threaking RC Stunt car. This remote control car doesn't just drive, it performs 360-degree flips and can drive on both sides, turning every obstacle into an opportunity for fun. With anti-interference technology, multiple cars can race without disrupting each other. Equipped with powerful motors and soft, grippy tires, this car is perfect for indoor and outdoor play. Built with high-quality materials, it's safe and durable for kids aged 6 to 12. Normally $39.99, it's now just $29.99 with a 25% discount. Get this fantastic deal through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this amazing offer, brought to you by Gadgets Tech Trends. That's it for today, everyone. If you haven't seen these other videos, I highly suggest you give them a watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which product you found most impressive. Until next time, bye!